Hello and welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you a very famous Indian delicacy, that's the Mava Gujiya. To make this, we need a pan. Into the pan I'm going to add around 400 grams of Mava. This is homemade Mava. Since we don't get Mava here, I made this at home. If you're using the ready-made Mava, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to it. And it must be to this consistency, slimy. And now I'm going to roast this well for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Once this is done, I'm going to transfer this into another bowl. I'm going to add around 2 cups all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon clarified butter, and now I'm going to mix this to a crumble consistency. Quarter teaspoon edible red color. This is totally optional. If you don't want, you can omit this. And now I'm going to add some water. Add water as you require and knead a hard dough. Your dough must be tight and hard. It shouldn't be soft like your chapati dough. So this is the perfect dough for the gujiya. And now I'm going to keep the dough to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I have this mava. Into this mava, I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons chopped almond, 2 tablespoons cashews. You can add any desired dry fruit of your choice. And now, few strands of saffron. If you don't have saffron, you can just omit it. Now I'm going to mix this well and I'm going to leave this to cool completely. It shouldn't be warm as also. It must be cool. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut, 1 cup powdered sugar or icing sugar, half teaspoon cardamom, and give it a quick mix. You can adjust the sugar as per your taste. So this is perfect. This is my stuffing. And meanwhile, let's prepare our sugar syrup. So into a pan, I'm going to add around 2 cups sugar, 1.5 cups of water, and few strands of saffron. If you don't have saffron, you can also use cardamom, 2 cardamoms, and a lemon wedge to prevent crystallization. So I'm going to cook this nicely. I'm going to cook this for around 5 to 7 minutes. So my sugar syrup is almost done. I'm going to cook this for some time more. So this is perfect. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Now with the dough, now let's make the balls from the dough. Just roll it and do this as shown. So these are lemon sized balls. I'm going to just flatten this. I'm not going to use flour to dust this. Just roll this to your palm size, a little bit wider than your palm. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon mava mixture. If you want more, you can also add more. And now I'm going to close this tightly. See to it that it's perfectly closed. The mava shouldn't come out while frying. Nowadays you get those mava clips. You can also use that. Use your creativity to pin this. So this is my perfect Mava Gujiya. So in the same way, I'm going to make the remaining gujiyas too. So these are my gujiyas. Now let's fry them. I had already kept the pan on high flame. So the oil is hot enough, not very hot but hot. And now I'm going to fry my gujiyas. on medium flame for around 5 to 7 minutes. See to it that your flame is on medium, it shouldn't be high. So my gujiyas are almost done, so I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Immediately once fried, immediately just dip them into the sugar syrup. Do not keep them to rest or else it will become soggy. The sugar syrup is a little warm. In the same way do the remaining gujiyas. So let's give them a good look. I have transferred them to a serving plate. Now I'm going to use edible gold leaves. If you have silver leaf, you can also go with it. And now I'm going to use some slivers of pistachios. If you want, you can also go with almond or any desired dry fruit of your choice. So this is my Mava Gujiyas. I hope you liked it. If you liked this, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends and family.